20 easy magical uses for coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is a simple, widely available natural product that can fulfill many uses in your journey to live a more holistic, lower toxic life. Grab my guide over at lowertoxiclife.com. Now, ideally, I buy organic. I use a Costco brand, the Kirkland brand of organic coconut oil. I also have an Amazon brand that I like. Here you go, again, organic. And then, of course, my go-to, Trader Joe's organic coconut oil. I always love to buy organic whenever possible. Now, you'll have to check the resources in your local area, depending on where you are, to see what's available for you. Now, I don't love the plastic that it comes in. So what I typically do is once it comes in, I will transfer it over to my larger olive glass jars that you've seen me show before in some of my previous videos. And then I will date it and I store it in the refrigerator. But you don't have to do this. Again, keep in mind the 80-20 rule. We're not looking for perfection. We're looking to minimize as much of the toxic overload that's in our life, in our food, and in our environment on a regular basis. You'll have to decide for yourself how to prioritize those things. Now, as I've stated before, follow the science and the money when you're researching anything. Most studies debunking coconut oil for cooking and nutrition cite not enough research or evidence to prove that this is true. So I have to ask you, who is it who pays for the studies and research for any product? Who is it that's going to pay for a simple product like coconut oil that can't be highly profited from big pharma or other big food companies? You won't find those studies, sadly. But that doesn't mean that the concept of it or the data behind it should be disregarded. Now, with personal care, you're going to find that many of the sites and ideas and studies debunking this are done by dermatologists who are funded to some extent by big pharma and personal care product manufacturers who, of course, want to sell you their chemical-laden personal care products. Do your own due diligence and simply test it for yourself and see. So let's start with cooking and nutrition. Healthy cooking oil. Coconut oil has a high smoke point, making it perfect for sauteing, frying, and baking. It remains stable at high temperatures, which means it doesn't break down into harmful compounds. It also boosts metabolism. The medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil can increase energy expenditure, helping you burn more calories and potentially aiding in weight loss. This is done by potentially helping the body convert fat into energy instead of storing it. Number 3, supports immune health. Coconut oil contains lauric acid and monolaurin, which have antimicrobial properties. When broken down, coconut oil releases these components, which are antimicrobial agents that can kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This can help bolster your immune system by fighting off that harmful bacteria and viruses. Number 4, improves digestion. Coconut oil can improve your digestion by helping your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, calcium, and magnesium. It also aids in the elimination of harmful bacteria, parasites, and fungi that cause indigestion. Number 5, promotes heart health. Studies suggest that the MCTs in coconut oil can improve HDL, or those good cholesterol levels, which may contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. I recommend small amounts, especially to begin with. Don't overload on any fats. Dr. Axe, one of my go-to experts, says, to date, there are over 1,500 studies showing coconut oil to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Now, just as a reminder and a disclaimer, I am not a doctor, I am not a scientist. I am a certified functional health coach, but I do a lot of research and a lot of personal hacking on my own body. You can go to citations.lowertoxiclife.com and find all of the studies and research, not only on coconut oil, but on loads of other topics that we cover here on the channel. Number 6, natural energy booster. The MCTs in coconut oil provide a quick source of energy. This makes it a great addition to your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie for an extra energy boost. Number 7, enhances nutrient absorption. Coconut oil helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K more effectively, ensuring that you get the maximum benefit from your food and from the supplements that you take. So adding a little teaspoon to tablespoon of coconut oil or MCT oil to your morning coffee or tea will enhance this. Number 8, anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in coconut oil can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for managing chronic conditions like arthritis and promoting overall health. Remember this, inflammation is a leading cause in most all chronic disease and conditions. So when you reduce your inflammation overall, you'll likely see dramatic health improvements. A randomized crossover trial published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that daily consumption of 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil in young, healthy adults significantly increased HDL cholesterol. Plus, no major safety issues of taking virgin coconut oil daily for 8 weeks were reported. Number 9, improves brain function. MCTs are quickly absorbed and converted into ketones, an excellent fuel source for the brain and used when glucose and main sources of energy aren't available. This can enhance cognitive function and potentially help in the management of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Also, this can help lead to weight loss and metabolic health when used correctly. And number 10, it balances hormones. Coconut oil supports thyroid function and can help balance your hormones, improving your overall hormonal health and reducing symptoms of hormone-related issues. Ladies, this can assist with sleep issues, resistant weight, brain fog, and those perimenopause and menopausal symptoms that many of us experience. Now, let's talk about how the same amazing product, coconut oil, can be subbed out for many of your personal care products. Did you know that the skin has its own microbiome? Coconut oil contains antimicrobial properties that can help balance the skin's microbiome and protect against harmful microorganisms. These microorganisms can cause skin infections like acne, cellulitis, and athlete's foot. Coconut oil can be used as a spot treatment for certain fungal rashes. So, number 11 in your 20 amazing magical coconut oil uses, it moisturizes the skin. Coconut oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. Its fatty acids help to nourish and hydrate the skin, making it soft and smooth. It can also be used as a sunscreen for limited exposure. Again, go to citations.lowertoxiclife.com and you will find the research and studies on these different topics under coconut oil. Number 12, a natural makeup remover. Coconut oil effortlessly removes makeup while at the same time nourishing the skin. Just apply a small amount on a cotton pad and gently wipe away makeup, even stubborn waterproof mascara. I do recommend removing contacts if you wear them. Or you can just gently apply the coconut oil directly to the skin, use a sweeping motion upward, and then rinse with water. I do this almost nightly when I take a bath and my skin feels so great afterwards. Number 13, hair conditioner. Use coconut oil as a deep conditioner to repair damaged hair, to add shine and reduce frizz. Apply it to your hair and just leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight, and then wash it out. I do this weekly or bi-weekly to give my hair a special treat. Number 14, soothes skin irritations. Its anti-inflammatory properties make coconut oil effective for soothing skin irritations such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Even sunburn and bug bites can be soothed with coconut oil. Just apply directly to the affected area for relief. Number 15, natural deodorant. Coconut oil can be used as a base for homemade deodorant due to its antibacterial properties, which help to reduce body odor. I use this regularly when I'm just hanging out at my home or going somewhere where I'm not likely to oversweat. I will mix a little bit of coconut oil with tea tree oil or something nicely scented like lavender oil or both, and then boom, I just apply it under my arms. Number 16, oral health. Oil pulling with coconut oil can improve oral health by reducing harmful bacteria in the mouth, preventing plaque formation, and promoting fresh breath. Just swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes daily. And I also will use this in place of toothpaste quite often, adding a small amount of baking powder or activated charcoal and a drop of peppermint essential oil. The other thing that I do is I will put in the coconut oil, and then I will take my flossing picks or dental floss, and I will floss and get it in there into the areas between my teeth to help restore gum health and remove plaque. Number 17, healing cuts and wounds. The antibacterial properties of coconut oil make it an effective treatment for minor cuts and wounds. I typically clean with hydrogen peroxide, whatever the wound is, and then I'll apply coconut oil directly to the wound to increase and speed up healing and reduce the risk of infection. Then, like any cut, I'll watch it over the next 24 hours for redness or swelling. Redness and swelling is what indicates infection. Number 18, lip balm. Coconut oil can be used as a natural lip balm to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Its moisturizing properties help to heal chapped lips quickly. Another thing that I'll do is just rub a small amount of coconut oil in the palm of my hand. I will then dip a little bit of sea salt and rub it in there, and I'll very gently use it over my lips to exfoliate them, and then apply regular coconut oil to smooth them out. Number 19, anti-aging properties. Rich in antioxidants, coconut oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Who doesn't want that? Apply it to your face and neck as a natural anti-aging treatment. It's chemical-free with no toxins, and your skin is going to love it. And then number 20, shaving cream. Use coconut oil as a shaving cream alternative to achieve a close shave while moisturizing your skin and reducing irritation. I'm here to help you save some money and ditch the chemicals in so many of the personal care products that we've been marketed over and over. Once you use coconut oil, I do recommend rinsing your razor with hot water afterwards to eliminate that gunky buildup that can happen on the blade. Do you see how coconut oil is a versatile and beneficial addition to both your kitchen, nutrition, and personal care routine? Again, buy organic whenever possible and don't allow it to sit on the shelf for too long. Its unique combination of fatty acids, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties make it a true superfood and natural remedy. By incorporating coconut oil into your daily life, you can enhance your health, boost your nutrition, benefit from weight loss, and enjoy a range of beauty benefits. Embrace the power of coconut oil and experience its remarkable benefits for yourself. Grab my guide on using coconut oil, as well as my shopping guide, how to read labels, and simple recipes over at lowertoxiclife.com.